Hey guys, thanks for joining us. Izzy from Endless RVing. Behind us is one of Tiffin's most popular floor plans. It is the Allegro Bus 45 OPP. And you're gonna wanna stick to the end because we're gonna tell you how much the MSRP is on this and what is the show price. All right, so this video is not gonna be so detailed. It's gonna be a quick overview and walk around. We're gonna start on the passenger side. You have your front mirrors with the integrated cameras, Girard awnings over the top of the doorway. Of course, you have the beautiful Tiffin emblem that they are so well known for. If you look just a little bit below, nice mirrored chrome steps. These will fold out when you open the door. And Tiffin just makes everything look so nice. Now we have a nice large slide here. You can see the slide walls are painted. Up front, you have 315 80 22.5 inch tires. And this is on Tiffin's own, it's called a Paraglide chassis. So they actually make their own chassis in-house for this particular coach. So what it's gonna give you is a really good ride because the chassis is made to match the house that's on top. All of these coaches are gonna have huge storage. I'm just gonna show you one if it's unlocked. This is completely normal for something like this. Big pass-through storage, raised rail chassis. You can see it there. Now, one thing that Tiffin does really well, if you can get this here, these are heavy-duty aluminum doors. This is heavy stuff. This is not the cheapies you're gonna get on some other Class A motorhomes that may be a little bit less than this. You can hear that thing slam. You're gonna have a television out here. I have no idea how this opens because I don't see any kind of latch for it, but I'm sure it opens. This is usually the, right, this is so you can get to the back of the refrigerator. Awesome. All right, let's continue moving on. You see the cameras here. This is gonna have the 360-degree view camera system so you can see everything around you. Overhead on this slide, you see the Girard awning. Okay, as well as you have the Girard slide topper, you have the awning over the window, and then there's going to be a Girard awning that comes over above this whole thing. Second slide, this will be in your bedroom. See the beautiful paint job? Now, this is being powered by the Cummins L9. That's 450 horsepower. Let me look at my notes here. 1,250 pounds of torque. You can option this with the 600 horsepower Cummins. That is an option if you want on this. You have a tag axle in the rear. This is a 15,000 pound tow capacity on this. It will tow 15,000 pounds. Continuing over to the rear of the passenger side, I always love watching this, seeing this, built by Tiffin Motorhomes, Red Bay, Alabama. It's always so cool how they do that. Here's your exhaust tip. Let that big motor get rid of the fumes. And on the last bay, you have your chassis batteries as well as all your cutoff fuses and everything else. So let's go over to the driver's side. Now don't mind, we are literally right by a generator, so it may be a little bit noisy. You can see the back cap. There is actually two cameras. There's a camera up top and then there's a camera below that. Again, this is gonna be part of that 360 camera system that's gonna let you see all around the coach. Power cord, 50 amp. This will be powered on a power cord reel. And here is your DEF. Now this is a 150 gallon coach, so it will take 150 gallons of diesel fuel to fill this up. 4-slide coach. Now with the Allegro bus, you do get the side mounted radiator. I believe on the Phaeton it is rear mounted. This is the advantage you do want if you have the opportunity to get the side mounted radiator. It makes everything, not only is it gonna breathe better, but it's gonna be easier to work on if you ever have a problem. I'm going to imagine this is some kind of escape hatch. I have no idea what this is over here. There's some kind of door here. In the comments below, if you know what this is, let us know what this is. I have no idea what this is. This is just a plastic front. Here
looks like aluminum.
Yeah, so here is your wet bay. I gotta be honest, I don't really like this too much, how this looks. It's kind of flimsy. I'm not a big fan of that, but here's your exhaust for your hydronic heating. And what is gonna be over here?
Your Aquahot.
Aquahot 450. So that is your hydronic heating that will heat up the coach. Diesel and electric fire heat up the coach very much like a home residential system. So you're going to get thorough heat throughout the coach. Another camera, and you see LED lights up above. That camera will be part of your 360 camera system. All right. Oh, okay. So you have Dragonfly Batteries here. Yeah, frozen batteries. These are lithium batteries. This is a big deal here. This I didn't know about. Lithium batteries are the way to go. It's going to give you a lot more amp hours and it's going to last a lot longer. That's something that's very new. And you see your hydraulic pump for your slides also on the left here. I'm curious to see how many amp hours that is, but those are some pretty big lithium batteries there. Find something new. We just rolled up on this and we're like, hey, there's nobody here, let's shoot this. Here's all your fuse boxes, and then this is going to be exhaust for your 10,000K Onan generator. Although if you have those lithium batteries, you won't have to run that generator so much. So I'm done on the outside. MJ is going to actually take you for a quick tour on the inside.
Welcome, friends. All right, so let's take a look at the inside real quick in the cockpit here. On the passenger seat, again, Tiffin always does the furniture beautifully. You have a little screen here with some lights and shade controls. All right, and you have your...
That's cool.
Yes, a bunch of these have them. Your GPS, so when Izzy screws up on the GPS, which he does a lot, I can fix it for him. Okay, and as Izzy said, guys, this is kind of a quick walkthrough. We're not gonna do as detailed as we usually do. I'm gonna open these up. Here's some more controls. Here's some cabinet space for you. Not deep at all. All right, you can see it's just a couple inches deep.
But you get that huge television.
Yep, real nice TV, and then some more cabinets here. All right, let's move on down. So you have your love seat and then couch here, which does turn into a pull-out bed, so that's good. This is nice, an ottoman, and
I hate those.
I know you do, but you can turn these over and you can use it as a place to eat your dinner if you so choose. All right, tons of cabinet space, and these are deep. These are all really deep, and they go all the way down, so that's cool. Moving into, oh, I didn't mention the TV here. All right, huge. That's, what is that, like 50? 50-inch LG TV, and yes, on a televator, and you have a lot of controls here, pop-up, regular outlets, and USB outlets there. All right, here's more of your controls. All right, so you have your shades and things like that. All right, so the controls are up front and here. Then you have your dinette, which is nice, a Euro. Ugh. All right, I'm not gonna break it.
That definitely opens up.
They do open. So you'll have storage underneath. This is a really nice countertop. I love the long, nice open window there that you have. Nice pretty little artwork. Into the kitchen, you have an induction cooktop. All right, you do have a pull-out, which is what we really like. There we go. This is nice. This is wide too. I like this. So this comes all the way out. You have a lot of drawers in here. Okay, ooh, they put in a silverware holder for you, which is really nice. So you have a lot of drawer space. All right, underneath, there's more. There's a place for your garbage. These are nice deep drawers here.
Something that Tiffin does really well is their woodwork. Every time we come into a Tiffin motorhome, whether it's a gasser, a fifth wheel, whatever it is, their woodwork is exquisite.
Right, and I'm not a big fan of darker colors, but they even make me like darker colors with how exquisite the woodwork is. You got a double stainless steel sink that's really nice. That's a good size. More controls over here.
I'll tell you something I really like
What?
is this right here. You see this big window?
Yes.
Now,
yes.
what I don't like
length.
is where the kitchen is. If they flipped it to the campside, it'd be better. But I'm sure this just because of this floor plan, but I like that big window there.
Yeah, no, that is nice. All right, good. And headed into here, there's gonna be a big pantry. Does it light up? Oh, no, no lights.
Huh.
But nice nonetheless. I like the wood on the fridge. That's a nice touch. Your freezer and your fridge, pretty standard. And another pantry, maybe light up? No, I figure
lights.
One doesn't light, the other one's
Well,
not
now
light.
listen, we may not have all the lights on, so let's not comment.
All right.
Although I don't see, but
No, that they're, yeah.
put in the comments below if you know if these have lights, but I don't see them.
There's nothing in there to light. Nice, you have a lot of space. Moving on.
Bath and a half.
Into the half bath. Okay, there's one of your fans.
All tiled out. Just really
We actually
nice.
missed, there's a fan here as well, right in the kitchen area. Here's your a main control panel here with your tank levels and all that good stuff, your lights and shades.
And most of the time you can get on an app
Yep.
to control those.
Nice door here, give you some privacy. Come on in. into the bedroom. Beautiful king bed, ceiling fan above, which is nice. The trays are really nice all the way down the coach, straight down. Okay, here's your closet. 2 on each side with 2 drawers. Something I love in here is the fireplace. A fireplace anywhere is nice, but in the bedroom, that's a nice touch. I really like that. And this is beautiful. Leave it to Tiffin. Tons of outlets again. Outlets are over here.
I do like also, I just want to point out, they make a little step here. So it's kind of cool.
It's just
like
a little extra touch.
Like
it's
a
really nice.
hard surface step.
Yep. Not a ton of room on the side of the bed to move, but you have some room up here.
They're deep though.
Yeah, they are, but there is a divider there, so you have one side and then you'll have your other side. And then you've got more controls here on each side of the bed and 2 outlets. The headboard is very nice too. A nice cream color and the beautiful valances, beautiful. Okay, you got another pocket door here on this side. Moving into the master bath, you have double sinks, beautiful. I love this color. So nice.
I like that tile
and look
work.
at look at the detail on that.
It's like a stone.
And it's not like, you know, sometimes you walk into these things and it's like just like wallpaper
like
that looks like that. Like, yeah, it really is. It goes
look at the
all the way
sinks.
down. Beautiful.
I like the design. It's real high end on that.
Yep. You have double outlets, 1 on each side. Again, here's your light control panels. 2 medicine cabinets. His and hers, or as Izzy likes to say, hers and hers. All right, moving on along into the shower. This is nice. I like it.
That's a huge shower.
This is a huge shower. Here's somewhat similar to that pattern, but so gorgeous. On both sides, you have a seat here, and the height is pretty good as well. You can close this if you like, which is kind of cool. Very nice. All right, and then you have your toilet here. Moving on into the closet, the walk-in closet. Really nice size. You have your laundry here, washer, dryer with a lot of space up there. You're gonna need a stool to climb up there, but that's nice. You have a safe, which is always a plus. Over here with a shelf. You have a lighted hanging curtain rod. Let's take some of these lights and stick them in the pantry. That would be nice. But you have a lot of room up here, and this is pretty cool. You can put your shoes and, you know, whatever in there.
And you got a shelf up top too.
Yeah,
It runs the whole length there. It's
the whole
pretty
length, yeah. And then you have some
fuses.
Yep, fuses, but you got a couple pull-out drawers here. And then over here you have a couple outlets, all right? More place to put things. Let me get out of your way. Okay, more shelves. This is being difficult. There we go. And then a bunch of drawers.
So we're both standing in the closet, so it's a true rear walk-in closet.
Yes. So
we actually have more
4 of
room in
these.
here than we did on the Class B we're on. There's more room in this closet. Because we can stand not shoulder to shoulder.
Yeah. No, this is really nice.
So we hope you guys enjoyed that video. What is the MSRP on here? So the MSRP $559,223. The sale price is $475,340. Understand, guys, the show price, you can get that most of the time all year long. So in the comments below, let us know, do you like the Allegro Buzz 45 OPP? Do you own a Tiffin? If so, which one? Put it in the comments below. For myself and MJ, we thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the road.